Medicines and biomedical samples require specific storage temperature and humidity. Inappropriate storage conditions may damage the potency or shorten the validity period. Midea pharmacy refrigerators with precise temperature control and superior ±1 degree Celsius temperature uniformity keep your medicines and samples safe. Midea Group has more than 30 years experience in refrigeration industry and runs 18 overseas R&D centers in 11 countries abroad to lead technology development. Midea patented technologies such as top cooling, D+ heat exchange system, and built-in air duct have been applied to Midea pharmacy refrigerators. Midea top cooling technology improves interior temperature uniformity to ±1 degree Celsius, ensures temperature variation within 2 degrees Celsius, provide better protection to the vaccines, medicines, and samples. Strong cooling airflow from the top to the bottom works as an air curtain to block the external hot air entering the refrigerator when door is opening, to prevent the interior temperature from rising rapidly. Improve temperature uniformity by 40%. Save energy consumption by 47%. Midea built-in air duct. Increase the effective interior space by 10%. Adjustable shelves. Flexible to organize inner space. 6 humanized designs. 6 sensors. Built-in USB data logger. All data can be traced. Dual display shows both temperature and humidity. Frameless glass door. Elegant looking. Easy to clean. Door self-close. Electrical heating function. Midea pharmacy refrigerators can be used in hospitals, laboratories, pharmacies, CDC, vaccination stations. Precise temperature control and superior temperature uniformity of Midea pharmacy refrigerators. Take care of your samples and medicines. Guarantee safe storage.